Good morning, kindergarten. Wait a second, where was the energy? Let's try that again. Good morning, kindergarten. Much better. Hi guys, happy Monday. Welcome back to another week of learning from your home. Can you believe it? I can't. I say this every single time, but I miss you guys like crazy. I truly do. I wish we could all be together in the classroom because I miss your smiling faces each and every morning and your yummy hugs. But Zoom will have to do for now, and we all need to stay strong together. So if we're feeling frustrated or if we're feeling down, remember we're all going through this together, and it's okay to talk about our feelings at home, right guys? And you can always reach out to Miss Byerly. I'm here for you all the time. All right, having said that, let's get into the rest of the video. So today is Monday, April 20th. Tomorrow is Tuesday, April 21st. Wednesday is April 22nd. Thursday is April 23rd. And we get to finish off the week with Friday, April 24th. So those are the dates that you will be seeing this week. Now you might be wondering, what am I going to learn in Miss Byerly's class over the internet this week? Well, I'll tell you what. First things first, we have 3 brand new sight words to add to your home word wall. So don't forget that, guys. Your home word wall doesn't end at the last words you put on it, okay? You have to keep on adding to it, making sure you have room to add new words. So the first word we're gonna learn this week is help. And I'll use that in a sentence for you. Miss Byerly is here to help you with your learning each and every day. The second word we're gonna be learning is could. If you could choose between vanilla and chocolate, which would you choose? Our third word of the week is to. Not to be confused with the number 2 or the word to, like we might already know, like I am going to bed. We are learning the word to with 2 O's. So we spell it T-O-O. And we use it kind of like the word also. So I could say, did you choose chocolate? I did too, right? Too as in like me too. Or if you chose vanilla in my earlier example, I could say, I like vanilla too. So now you know the one with 2 O's means like me too, also. A little tricky, but don't worry. You guys will get it. You're very smart. Next up, we have a very special week ahead because this week we're celebrating a holiday. On Wednesday, April 22nd, it is Earth Day. What is Earth Day? Earth Day is a day we celebrate our planet Earth. It's a day to appreciate our planet. Remember, we must be taking care of it at all times. This week, you're gonna learn about the 3 R's in social studies, which are reduce, reuse, and recycle. We have a fun brain pop on that. And not only that, but your Earth Day project, which is due this Friday, is a wonderful opportunity for you guys to reduce, reuse, and recycle. And not to worry, you're gonna learn what all 3 of those words mean in our brain pop today. The next thing we need to talk about is reading. What's gonna be our focus for reading this week? Last week it was problem and solution, but this week it's sequencing. What does that mean, Miss Byerly? Well, this is something we've already gone over in the classroom before, but we are just reviewing it this week. So sequencing means putting things in order, right? We're gonna be focusing on what happens first, what happens next, and what happens at the end of a story. So first, next, and last. That's the concept we're gonna be focusing on reading this week. We have a beautiful story called Chrysanthemum to keep you on your toes, to keep it a secret. I'm not gonna tell you what chrysanthemum means right now. You're gonna learn it when you hear me in my read aloud. Lastly, before we sign off, I wanna set a new goal for the week. This week, our new goal is taking responsibility, okay? Responsibility is doing the things that you are expected to do and accepting the consequences of your actions. So think about some examples of how you could take responsibility in your learning. I can think of a few. I think it would be very responsible of you to keep track of all your school materials and keep them in one place, nice and neat, so you don't lose anything, right? Losing things is not being very responsible, right? What's another way you can be responsible? This time, let's pick an example of how you can be responsible at home. You guys know that if you play with some toys, it's really nice to put them back where you got them from in the first place. I think that's a great example of taking responsibility at home as well, right, you guys? So let's practice that goal this week. Let's make this week amazing. I hope you have a marvelous Monday and a beautiful rest of your week. I can't wait to see you guys on Zoom, and keep being amazing. Since this is a YouTube video, take a second to comment down below something you can do this week to make this week amazing. That's optional. You don't have to do that. Alrighty guys, Miss Firely signing off now. Tuesday, April 22nd. Wednesday is April 23rd.